On-chain metrics show large Dogecoin holders are doing something very specific right now. Dogecoin is still lagging in terms of other cryptos in the top 10. You've got Dogecoin, Cardano, Chainlink. When you exclude stablecoins, none of them have set all-time highs yet. All the others have. And I'm looking specifically inside the top 10 at some cryptos that really haven't run up yet. Just recently put a video out on Cardano giving some price targets, predictions, and I wanted to kind of take a look at Dogecoin as well, especially because of what we're seeing right now. Dogecoin holders, the large holders, they are accumulating the asset right now during this most recent market correction. A move experts say could be driven by more than headline fueled speculation because Dogecoin has rebounded from some local lows on Monday, slowly but surely coming up from 20 cents. And I wanted to take a look at Doge a little bit more specifically on the charts, on the weekly outlook, and give you guys some thoughts in terms of what we're looking at right now. We definitely have some further upside. We're consolidating very tightly right now. We've been doing that. And the recovery is also showing that large holders are accumulating like crazy. The 50-day average of large Dogecoin transfers valued at $100,000 or higher has seen a notable increase since the start of August, reaching its highest levels in 5 months. This according to Santiment. The total number of wallets now holding 1 million to 10 million Dogecoin grew from 33 to 4,288 in August. That is insane. Massive, massive accumulation happening quietly on Dogecoin. You couple that with the fact that Dogecoin's been lagging. We hope and really think retail is going to come back at some point. When they do, they're going to come back to potentially some trusted assets. Dogecoin's one. It's got everybody's focus and attention. Once they get back in crypto, they're going to remember Dogecoin. And considering the current market conditions, a huge researcher from a major exchange talked about this accumulation from large players. And he said basically, while you can still see that, there's some short-term volatility, under the Trump administration, the U.S. regulatory climate has become much more tolerant of crypto. And once the Clarity Act gets passed, we're going to see assets like Dogecoin really break loose because a lot of people are kind of waiting in the wings. Now, here's the other thing to consider with Doge. Grayscale filed a spot Dogecoin ETF application. Now, it hasn't been approved. It's been delayed, just like many of the others. But unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin is a cultural asset. And the token itself has shown the ability to rebound during downturns and really pick up a lot of steam in a short amount of time. So we're going to be watching for this capital to eventually rotate in assets like Doge. Let me take you inside the chart here for a minute. And obviously, if you guys want to get out ahead of Dogecoin potentially making some major moves this cycle, you guys can do that by getting into XT Algo. That's my trading software. Highly encourage you guys to check it out where you can set up your own customized alerts. There's a discount code linked down below in the description. You're going to get a 21% off coupon code down there as well. And a little over $1 a day gets you started. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free for the first month, guys. Highly encourage you guys to get in here and check it out. But we have been slowly but surely coming up. You go back to October 2023 lows at 5 cents. We're 4x from that level already. But look at the slow grow here on the weekly chart. This is our all-time high where we wicked up to 72 cents. This chart, though, showing a ton of strength on the weekly, guys. And we have been grinding upwards. I think we're in store to see a potential dollar per Dogecoin price, which gives us about a 5x return from these levels. I still think that is very, very likely and very much in play here. We've also got the free newsletter. Make sure you guys sign up for that. There's a link down below for that as well. But Dogecoin's been a quiet assassin. It's performed really, really well actually in the last year, up 92%. Doesn't feel like it because it's been outshined by a lot of the other top cryptos like XRP and most recently Ethereum. But Dogecoin right now sitting 71% down from its all-time high. To me, there's a ton of value here. And that is why we're seeing the big whales accumulate Dogecoin at these price levels, just shy of 21 cents. We're coming off local bottoms at 20 cents. And I agree with the analyst out there in terms of what we're seeing from all the market research data. Whales are accumulating. The community sentiment is extremely high. The chart looks good, checks all the boxes right now. They've got an ETF filed as well. We know it's a darling when it comes to retail investments, and it's a big market cap, 31 billion. This thing has solidified itself. It's got a space and a place in this market, and I do think we're going to see some 4 or 5x returns still from these current price levels. So don't sleep on Dogecoin, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comment section as well. And again, check out XT Algo if you haven't already. Come trade with us over at crypto.com or BidFi. Two great exchanges for you guys to make your plays, whether you want to go leverage, spot positions. Got a ton of great perks on both of these platforms for you on the exchange side of crypto.com and BidFi. Both these links found in the description.